Hi guys, this is my new machine. It is 20-inch or 500 millimeter planer. It is Italian made, and as you can see, the paint is in a very rough condition. rough is an understatement, but technically this machine is sound, it is very healthy, and other than the visuals, it works very well. It is made in Italy, and only tags I have is this and oil level and such informations. It is 2-speed feed. Right is the lower, and moving this lever here on the left, you get a higher speed. And this is a very basic machine, basic in function, and it has a very few moving parts, so nothing breaks in here. So what I'm going to do is disassemble the whole machine, take it all apart, restore it, take these parts and make them nice again, or if anything needs to be replaced, it will be replaced. The cutter block, oh my god, it's heavy. This cover is cast aluminium and it is very, very heavy. It is thick, and oh my god, I'm going to have trouble with this machine moving it. The cutter head has 4 knives and it is in decent condition. This is just superficial rust, and it can be removed very, very easily. The infeed roller has some wear in the middle, and I think that's not going to be the problem, but we'll see. Maybe I will make new infeed roll, but we'll see. The outfeed is nice, it is okay, it has some rust, but nothing special. Here we have motor. I don't know the power, but I'm guessing about 6, 7, 8 kilowatts. Here is the reduction for it is gearbox. It is fed by motor and it moves the infeed and outfeed roller assembly. So this machine is casted. It is very, very heavy. It is very stable, and when I'm finished, I think I'm going to have a very, very nice machine. The up and down mechanism, it's a little bit squeaky, but it moves without any hesitation, up and down. And once I grease and oil all the parts, it is going to be very smooth. As it is, this machine works. I can use it as it is, but I am going to restore it, and maybe I will make a video series, I don't know yet, but it is going to be a huge task. And after the benzo restoration, I know what I'm in, so it will not be easy, but at the end, most definitely worth the trouble. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Well guys, here it is restored. In the meantime, I have found out that the manufacturer of this machine is ACS Colombo from Italia, and this machine was stripped down from all of the paint, from all the filling, from all the debris and the filth, and it was disassembled to the last bolt. After that I gave it a good clean, restored the parts that needed restoration, and gave it a nice coat of paint. One interesting thing is this top that is cast aluminium, and I debated should I paint it the same color as fill the voids from the casting and paint it, but when it was stripped I really liked the look of it, so I left it bare aluminium. I mean, I did use the wire reel to give it some texture, and I like it as it is. In the future, if I stop liking it, I will repaint it. That's no big deal. The only thing I did not finish is making knob for this switch, and other than that the machine is fully rebuilt. All the bearings are changed, all the grease ways are cleaned and filled with the nice quality grease, and I have used this machine for a few days now, and it is very powerful, very accurate and precise. And the only thing now that is not up to it is my dust collection that is not powerful enough to collect all the chips. Here is the head. I have left few parts in the original color, mainly because in one point I got bored, to be honest, and I just left them. And the other reason is I'm not sure do I like the color I chose, so if I decide to change this beige into some other color, I don't need to remove it from all the parts, so we will see. I have painted the cover from other side red, bright red. I forgot to mention the rollers. The outfeed roll is in perfect condition. This infeed has some minor wear in the middle, but it does not show while the machine is running. It functions perfectly. The table has some few scratches that are very deep from the nails, but other than that it is very flat, and it gives a very nice result, so I'm not bothered with the scratches. This is the rubber I used to fill this void here, and every time I take cover up it goes down. So this is basically it. I'm going to start machine now so you can hear how it sounds. First of all, I need to find so in the lack of the proper knob, you use what you can. So, ACS Colombo, Italian made. And these were the planks I used to try out this machine, and it is the very hard oak, very old, but very hard still, and no trouble at all. I will add a short video on the end of this video of this machine in working. So if you want to see more machines, please like and subscribe. Thank you.